Mid-December and we're westbound on the M8. I've seen 473 plates, presumably leased or rented, but if I was spending that much money on a car, I would pick my initials and 73 SLA. SC23VYV has been flashing its brake lights for a while, and cars have started looking ahead of it and leaving a bigger gap while it keeps crying wolf. We all know a braking wave is created when brake lights come on and cars travelling too close or fast brake because they don't know what's happening. I've had to drop the T because Tony at London Dashcam uses it, so we're looking at an it in an esla and asking if the it or the esla is faulty. Taking a short break, we can watch the two precision utility mapping vans that laugh at the 2-second rule. That's 26 times in 1.8 miles compared with a couple for the vehicle in front.
If you like this video and the other videos that we do, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.
We leave you with the northbound M73 joining the M80 at Mollinsburn. Thank you for watching.